welcome to the series. Today you're going to be learning about, and I'm going to show you how it looks as a small plant. So let's get started and get on with the tour. Hi, welcome. So today we're looking at my aloes plant. I've got this which has 4 plants that actually need transplanting. So you can see that's 1, 2, 3 and 4. It's kind of, I grew them from very small, and I'll show you. Okay, so here are some others. These were pups that I removed from the mother plant, and I planted them in the pot that you can see. See, they seem to grow really well here under the tree. What I thought was that aloes likes full sun, but mine doesn't. It seems to get burnt by the sun, and these ones have been thriving here in this particular spot under the mahogany tree. So I've just left them there to develop and grow, and we've got another one here. And yeah, aloes has got so many different properties. Again, I will share that with you in another video where we can go a bit more in depth into the nutritional and medicinal properties. But yeah, this is the aloes, and I'm really pleased at how they look. So thank you for joining me today. I really do look forward to seeing you tomorrow and seeing what plant we're going to be talking about next.